going up.
Wow.
So we're going up, up, up.
Hindi tayo bibili?
More to the salon. Gonna be golden. Compare.
Ito muna sa
Tara, sampisa natin isa.
Number one.
And Aubrey was her name,
Nag-iikot.
and not so very ordinary girl.
To right.
But
Di ba
who's
nga?
to blame
Wait, 12 pieces for keychain? Oh my gosh. 10 each. Pwede na.
Ayun na bumili.
for the hearts that we never played into, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away
Halang kita ka crochet yung damit. Oh.
doesn't mean a thing.
What I guess.
Hello. Sobrang lapit ah.
Ay, mapili.
Ay, picky eater.